Guangzhou Amarrie Cosmetics Co Limited was established in 2011, which has been devoting to skincare products with herbal ingredients and specializing in a collection development, design, sales, trading, and processing for professional export brands company. Our products meet China, Europe, America standards. Moreover, we have many distributors and business partners from all over the world. There is a professional and international trading sales department to provide a full range of services for our clients. We also have developed various online retail market like eBay, Amazon, AliExpress. Meanwhile, the offline distributors in Europe and the United States have covered the field of beauty salons and some professional spa chains. At present, there are two main brands in our group. There are Amarrie and Nutri-Herbs, which has already been registered in the United States and Europe. We strive to achieve the goal of to be a world-class Chinese cosmetics brand. We adhere to the principle of mutual benefit of each other for business, and we have already established a good reputation among our clients. We sincerely welcome customers from home and abroad to contact us for partnership. Both get win-win. Your satisfaction will be the best compliment for us. We look forward to working with customers around over the world and to building a better future together.
Your beauty, our passion. Well